In Excel Tutorial 4, Analyzing and Charting Financial Data, you'll be learning about principal, interest, and using the PMT function, which uses information to calculate payments that are required to pay back the loan. And when you check your Blackboard email, I've emailed you a workbook entitled Levitt. And if you do want to follow along in your ebook, I'm on page EX 193. And in step 2, it says in the documentation sheet, you can enter your name in cell B4 and the date. Next, I will click on the overview sheet, click on cell C5, and enter some information for their business plan, which will include their loan request and business forecast. So in cell C5, we will enter 310,000 and press enter. And you'll notice after I press enter, when you click back on cell C5, on your home tab in the numbers section, you'll see where this is already custom formatted. When you click on cell C6, this will be a percentage. So the interest rate will be 8%. And as we're moving on to the top of page EX 194, in cell C7, we're going to enter 12 as the payments per year. And in cell C8, we will enter a formula to calculate the interest rate per period. And in this particular case, the 8% interest rate is divided by 12 payments per year, so that when we enter the formula, it will calculate the monthly interest rate of 0.67%. So just remember that a formula begins with an equal sign, and it will be C6, so it'll be equals C6 divided by C7, and then when we press enter, our interest rate is 0.67%. Again, in the formula bar, it shows our formula equals C6 divided by C7. In cell C9, we're going to enter 10 as the number of years in our loan. And in cell C10, we will enter a formula to multiply the number of payments per year by the number of years in the loan, which will calculate the total number of payments on the loan, which will be 120 payments. So our formula will be equals C7 times, and remember that to multiply, it's the asterisk key that's above your number 9 key on the keypad. So it's going to be equals C7 times C9, and that will give us 120. So remember, I've got to see the formula. No formulas, and you do not get credit.